Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. There are two big job opportunities. One is from Amazon and second one is from 24 by 7 AI. So first let's talk about Amazon. Amazon off campus hiring. So for Amazon, role is software developer. Year of passing should be 2021, 2020, 2019, even 2018 and 2017 also. And your degree should be any degree. So if you have any bachelor's degree, then you are eligible, but they will prefer computer science degree. And salary will be up to 15 lp. What is the job location, everything we will discuss in this video. So let's get started. Once you'll click on the Amazon link, apply link, then you will be redirected to this page. Here you can see Amazon off campus hiring challenge. So Amazon is hiring freshers as well as experienced through this hiring challenge. This is a hiring challenge. Here you can see this is already open, and last date to apply is it's closing on 14 November 11:55 p.m. So you need to start this challenge before 14 November 11:55, and duration is 2 hours 15 minutes. And here you can see criteria. Challenge format is two programming questions, so you need to solve two programming questions in 2 hours 15 minutes. And yeah, so this is eligibility criteria. 0 to 6 years of experience can apply. So job location is Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Pune. And note, candidates who are currently pursuing graduation or masters are not eligible for this challenge. Okay, so if you are, your year of passing is 2022, then you are not eligible for this challenge. So this is the end. Also, let's talk about these are the basic qualifications. So if you are good in so in short I can say, if you are good in coding, then you are eligible. And if you and it doesn't matter what degree you have, but they will prefer a bachelor's, any bachelor's degree in computer science, computer engineer or related technical discipline. But if you have any degree and you are good in coding, then you will get this job. So for Amazon, they don't focus on degree, they focus on skills. So yeah, this is the update. Yeah, so now let's talk about another job opportunity. So another job opportunity is from 24 by 7 AI. So they posted the job on LinkedIn. So here you can apply now here. So you need to create your profile if you don't have any profile on LinkedIn. So first create your profile. After that, here you can see more about the job. Job role is software developer, software development engineer, and job location is Bangalore. Year of passing is 2020 or 2021 password batch. Cleared all papers in first attempt. And uh, date of join is date of join immediately or maximum 15 days notice. And job description you can read, role you can read, and education and experience. So education is bachelor's or master's degree with preference in computer science, 2020 or 2020 password wise. No active backlogs. 3 to 6 months of internship experience. If you have any internship experience, then they will prefer, but it's not mandatory. These are the responsibilities, these are the skills. So you can read everything. Just what you need to do, just click here, apply now. Yeah, so now let me tell you very important thing. um, Relevel has launched their app, and you can check out their app on Play Store for Android user, and on iOS user iOS user on App Store. Click on the link available in the description to directly check out the Relevel app. All you need is to download the app and log in to Relevel in a few simple steps by entering your contact details. Once you'll click on the download link which is mentioned in the description box, then you will be redirected to either on Play Store or App Store based on your device. So this is Play Store. Here you can see uh, app name is Relevel Job Search app. This is from Relevel by an Academy. Here you can see the top rating is 4.7, and you can read the description like get your dream job in 15 days, select your stream, complete test in a single day, interviews and get multiple offers. Leaderboard, top the monthly leaderboard to win exciting prizes. Here what you need to do, you just need to open this app. When you'll open this app, then this is the page of the app. Here you can see there are top companies which are hiring through Relevel. So there are top companies: Cred, Upgrade, Digit, 1mg, Razorpay, Redbus, Urban Company, lot of big MNCs. Now what you need to do, you just need to click here, no more. Here you can see take a Relevel test, interview with employers, and accept the offer letter. These are 3 steps. You need to click here, register for free. Once you click here, register for free, you need to choose your dream job, like in which exam, in which you want to give your exam. There are 5 options. First one is business development test, second one is front end development test, third one is back end development test, fourth one is business analytics test, fifth one is data analytic test. Suppose I want to select data analytic test, then I need to click here select. Then here I can see this test pattern. Total marks is 1000, and I need to score 700 out of 1000. So this is phase 1. In phase 1, the qualifying criteria for phase 2 is 200 out of 350 marks. And this is phase 2. Here you can see all the things. Here eligibility is 18 years of your age. You should have at least 18 years of age. And laptop or desktop is mandatory to write an exam, because you can't write your exam by this app. You can see your scorecard and important updates by this app. You can see all the things, but you can't write exam by this app. You need to have at least laptop or desktop. Okay, so yeah, now you need to click here, book your free slot. Here you need to enter your mobile number and OTP. That's it. After that you need to book your you need to select your exam date, on which date you want to give exam. That's it. Okay, yeah. As I told you, registering for Relevel app is very simple. Sign up on Relevel app by entering your contact details and OTP. Select the test of your choice: business development, backend development, front-end development, data analyst, or business analyst. Select a date and book a slot when you want to give the Relevel tests. Slots are limited, so I suggest you book it fast. That's it. You can log in on any PC or laptop on this selected date with the same details and attempt your Relevel tests. Relevel tests are free of cost with no hidden charges, no mandatory TNCs. Once you qualify the Relevel test, you have access to 1000 plus job across top companies. They guarantee packages of more than 4 LP for non-tech roles, 6 LP for tech roles. Everything you need to know about the tests are available on the Relevel app. Right on the first app window, you will find the test instructions. You can even download the sample paper to check out the type of questions you will get for the test. If you are not feeling confident enough, scroll down and find videos from Relevel achievers. These folks are the one who have successfully qualified the test and are placed in different companies. These Relevel achievers have bagged packages up to 42 LPS, and more than that, Relevel has delivered jobs worth more than 2 crore in just last month. All rounds of the test will be completed in a single day, and you will get your score. And the test needed to be completed on your laptop desktop. Remaining details like score, important updates can be accessed on the Relevel app. So once you qualify the Relevel test on the score, based on your score, you will get to create an amazing Relevel profile, which will be then be shared with the companies for further process. Sit back and relax. Companies will reach out to you based on your profile. The better the Relevel score, the more companies will reach out to you. If you are someone who don't have heard about Relevel, here are few benefits to participate in the Relevel test. First one is, over more than 50 companies including top startups like and unicorns like Cred, Upgrade, Razorpay, Urban Company, and many more are hiring through Relevel. 100,000 plus job positions across business development, front-end development, back-end development, data analyst, business analyst, completely online and can be taken from the comfort of your home. The best part of that, you can take this test for free. Finish your test in a single day of your choice and get your re-level app, your re-level scorecard. The candidates can retake the test after 30 days if they didn't meet the qualifying criteria. To get the re-level profile of the candidate has to score more than 700 in the test, which will be the qualifying criteria. Also, the candidates will be rewarded with exciting goodies like MacBook, iPhone, and many more for the highest rank holders in the re-level test. With Relevel, you are the unique position to invite interest from companies instead of hunting for opportunities on your own. Once you have a great score, you can sit back and relax. The companies will reach out to you. There are some few another benefits. The tests are ideal for candidates who are 18 plus or have less than 3 years of work experience. You should also be able to join within 30 days from your receiving the job offers. These jobs are not limited to BTech or MBA degree candidates. Anyone can apply as long as they are 18 plus years of old. Now let me tell you, there are top companies. These are the top companies which are hiring through Relevel. You can see Grad, Miso, Joperly, Upgrade, Escape, Grow. There are a lot of top companies. So if you want to work in these top companies, take your re-level exam today. So there are total 5 positions in your re-level app. So this is very trusted company by an academy. Now let me show the re-level achievers. So this is the re-level achiever Twitter page. Here you can see all the re-level achievers. Like this is Vikas. He scored 703 marks out of 1000 and he got offered the role of backend engineer. And now let me show, this is Aryan. He scored 750 marks. He also got backend engineer role. This is Subham. He scored 855 marks. He also got backend engineer. Here you can see all the roles. Like he scored 748 marks. He got sales executive. So here you can see all the re-level achievers on their website. This is Twitter page. I'll put link of this website also, this Twitter page also. So link to download the app is in the description box. So download your re-level app now. So if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in the comment box. You can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide link in the description box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.